is. When ready?
Yeah.
Golly bop.
Pause. Pause. No.
Sitting there in this bed, thinking about the times we spent. Boy, I really love you, but you don't seem to care. Tell me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have two beautiful ladies on screen with me. I'm not alone today, guys. Yeah, guys, I know I've been missing in action, but I was busy. But I'm back and I'm better. Today I'm gonna do the Smash or Pass Jamaican Artist Edition. A long time I'm asking for this, you know. I'm gonna know one who made a smash so badly. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna let these beautiful ladies introduce themselves. I'm gonna put them up on the screen. So start with Shar.
Hi guys, hi. It's your girl Char Glow Up, and I'm here. We're gonna do a smash or pass. I don't really think Charles knows my type, so I'm pretty much gonna be passing a lot of people. Do not be offended. You're just not my type. But follow me on all social media platforms: Char Glow Up, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everything. Char Glow Up.
All right. And if I me pick the artist, then but know your type.
Hey guys, it's your favorite flower Lily from Unique One Lily. Very excited to be here. So I'm just, I'm gonna try to see if we can smash somebody in this,
What is this?
I don't know.
God.
Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, the first name of them give me pan is listen, I don't know what to them now, but the plane just crashed with the coke. Skilly bang.
Go.
Guys, make a pass. Sorry, Skilly is just not my type. Skilly, I've been looking something about Skilly can have a look at alien look. Don't offend somebody, don't come for me, but it's just not my type. You see me? Skilly, me, I don't have no beef for you if you see this, but that's not my type. Next, Char, answer.
Then why you do all of that for? You say pass, you go like you even explain stuff when you say.
Pass, I know they come from them artists.
Listen, the plane crash. It burn up all them something there. On to the next.
Nelly, answer.
Pass.
Why pass? Why that pass?
Oh, so you want to describe him too? Billy Bang is not. He's not of the complexion that I prefer. He doesn't have the facial features that I prefer. He may have height, and his hair texture is not the texture that I like.
Okay. On to the next. That's all. The next one is Governor.
What? Why you say governor? Sir? Governor, like.
Governor and all that cute stuff, but that smash.
He have a buzz.
He have a buzz, He have a buzz. Me a smash. He not the color of me that I'm gonna talk for true, but he have a something about him. I look buzz about him. I look where.
Governor.
Sorry, I search him up.
Oh Jesus.
Guys, I'm gonna put the pictures on the screen so you guys can see.
Look
him up.
So when I Google governor. A few white people come up, so I'm really sure it's not who we're talking about.
Type in Jamaican artist governor.
So based on the fact that I don't know you, I'm gonna pass you.
No, look up the artist. Look for him pictures. No, the guy, man. So.
My Jesus.
Well, sorry,
you don't hear pass. Look here, you don't hear pass. You don't hear pass.
All right. Really, pass.
Man, you want one smash. You know one smash. One move.
Yeah, one move.
Yeah.
All right,
let's song them have a buzz though. So big up yourself. Your song them have a buzz.
Yeah.
The next analyst is thinking about she said stop. I don't know.
Oh, don't you?
If I feel song that, I remember.
I Donia.
Me a smash I don't know. Talk about it. I don't need for SP smash.
Hey, I Donia. Pass me over there.
Okay, you pass him over here. So alright, me give him one and
Yeah,
give
one
one.
move.
It's a one smash.
How much one movie I gonna do? Can I only
Me
go
don't
one movie I
know.
go out with
Talk
dog?
about I know that if I look about both him, man.
Yeah, you have a look boy. It's like him just you end up a thing there.
Yeah,
Well,
guys,
Yeah,
I
just
didn't I
listen,
didn't
it was
mention this
just
is
to
going to
me.
be both male and female. So next time the list is Chinsia.
And
okay.
see,
I'm have to say pass because I used to go to high school with her, so it pass. A pretty girl, don't get me wrong, pretty girl, but pass.
Yeah.
she's pretty.
Yeah.
I like her. I would smash her music, not her.
Oh
Pass.
Jesus.
That's Lily answer that.
What?
Lily answer.
Guys, we did this already past Panara. But you don't know, yo, Sheng Yang
It's all
thing.
love. It's all love.
Isn't me? I think up,
Yeah.
but I know
Yeah.
my type of girl,
That's true.
All right, I'm ready for this.
Yeah.
Next on the list. Come and feel so lonely, lonely, lonely. Alkaline. Pass.
It sound like I said Instagram mosquito a while ago. Where's
Wow. Hey, the alkaline from the
Yes.
come here and share BM.
Moana? Then come for me.
Guys, I know alkaline like
Comment section.
To
Moana.
1 year, say hello to 1 year, so but me not compare to that. Doesn't mean?
guys, I've met alkaline before because music video wise I'm like actually wow, he's a very chill person, but I'm a pass because just I'm not even explain. Pass.
Alkaline Maga. Like, what the same Mag? No, sir.
If I have a
No.
little buzz, like,
So anyway, what you do? Smash our
and
pass.
the only person who look that way they owe him look more than just smash.
What you say? If I have what kind of buzz?
No, me don't know a long time I did like him from a little
I'm also
bit.
on me, but
He might get a smash. He
Look
might get
here.
one smash. Me say it already, because say it again, he might get one smash.
You are
I
giving
don't know.
a free pass, don't you? So.
don't get me wrong, I love alkaline. Before I come to him, I love alkaline. I love his music and him something about smash wise. Remember when you talk about Omega go bed with you now? No. I love it. Me listen to his music, but me not but
Hey,
pass.
you imagine you wake up in the night and
No, we're not gonna sleep. I just want to
Hey,
look quick and
moving right
go.
along,
One
moving
time.
right along, moving right. Cause
We're gonna go quick and go. We're not gonna sleep.
when the night them come for me.
Then that.
When you ready? Popcorn smash.
Oh,
Smash popcorn.
Popcorn have a vibes, but him short.
Me not
So
care smash
based on the
right
fact him
round the
short,
year.
but
Right
Popcorn,
round the year, me a smash you popcorn. If you see this,
no, they know
No.
why I so
I'll fix up myself.
no.
Popcorn. If you see this, all right.
Look here, Popcorn have a buzz. Like me like him vibe and so me like him music and stuff like that. But him too short. Like you gotta be this height
Me
to
short
like
to the girl.
this.
I'm 5'2", so perfect.
It's a pass to me, not my style.
When you ready?
Yeah.
Word boss. Word boss. But now I tell you, like, cause I'm an artist, I'm a love him, but make a pass. And they don't care if I'm artist, but pass.
Yep.
Not my type. I cause I'm artist, you know, but pass.
Based on the fact that he's currently incarcerated, I don't think smashing him would be a
Shut
possible.
up! If you did that,
Yo. Start come right up with that one here. Oh God.
but don't like our carry on.
They have a good reason to give my pass.
Anyways, next on the list is Massacre.
But him? Oh.
Massacre? You know,
Maybe on a good day, I will smash.
honestly, Massacre, I really think him have a vibe. And him don't ugly. And him will get a one angle.
Yeah, on a good day.
Angle. Yeah.
What you say today?
What you selling it?
We're not. Wait. Me know I'm like, I just face. Like, me no remember.
You know, remember him light skin?
On a good day,
Oh,
I'll give
me
him a
think
smash.
Massacre and what the first one we call? Massacre.
Governor?
Oh yes, them not the same.
Yeah, they kind of look alike ish.
You might get one little piece and go on.
I tell you, touch and go. When I
That's
go,
one little. So, when me say one in a me mean like one little, you know, one evening brush up and then go and do some business.
what's
Okay,
that?
mom.
Hey,
Next on the list, them gimme
hey.
is Gold God. Pass.
You know, say you shouldn't go compare so with that.
Me no want a blue porn star. Pass. But can't
Will you
tell me
compare
like,
so with Gold God? Oh, Gold God
Oh, that
really
was the
got
opposite.
pass.
it's not me.
Straight pass,
It's
pass,
not me.
pass.
And them give a name.
I'm not answer you. Next one. I'm not answer
Pass,
you.
Alright,
pass,
next. Up top
pass,
boss.
pass.
Up top boss, I fat one.
Him not fat again. The one lose weight.
You lose weight? Let me see an updated picture. Oh,
Now what your music? Music. Something to me. Yeah, see me hear music.
Oh no, I sing a song. Me I sing.
Oh.
Up the
Up top
bus.
boss. Him slim now, man. Him slim.
pass.
Yeah, him lose weight. You see me? Me just feel like more than bread him up. Him look like him can roll with good as a bro.
Charge, you know.
Like I could charge it thing, yes. So man get a pass.
Pass. Guys,
Now
no, not
put
over
it
the
up.
artist, them,
Now
no.
put
It's
it
just
up.
not
No,
time.
pass. Oh, when I look fine, pass.
And next for the list, another female. Mama used to tell me,
Pass.
Spice.
Pass. Look how Spice I come from, you know. I like a certain complexion of people, and she does not have that complexion. So
Yes, you, sir.
hey, watch how Spice I come for me.
You know what?
Me just not.
Spice. Me da give you.
Me can't go manage. So no pass.
Pass. Hey, Spice a bad artist still. Big up
Pan a
yourself.
drunk night, yeah.
But I joke like they think you will manage, you sure?
Yeah, pan a drunk night, man have energy, we can lift up the bottom.
Cause Spice
Not,
is festive, you know.
not any energy. Spice I jump off a rooftop and all them so that.
Me can't manage at all.
Ready? Next artist.
Call somebody near when we can smash now, please.
Next up.
Pass.
Pass. Let me tell you why me I pass this.
Mesh.
I would smash his music, but not him. My friend is them.
That's what
I'm afraid I is them.
all me for doing on my ears is boo 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 boo.
Girl. The CD can do that. The CD can do that. I'm afraid I eyes them, man. Like some people like him eyes them, but Jano, we can't him eyes them, we can't him eyes them.
You
Like
have a seductive eye.
it freak no, you know, seduce me.
You know what? Moving
Move along.
on. The Sparta boss, family.
Pass.
Pass.
Based on the fact that he's currently in class.
This is safe. We don't like you, sir. You know what next? Jada Kingdom, me that smash.
1 minute.
Uh-huh.
1 minute.
Alright. We just cut out the part, yeah.
Because
I'm gonna show you a dance. I'm not cut it out again.
I can carry on. Go on
Jada
now.
Kingdom. Smash. Me like you too. It's a menorah. Me to go to school and she's younger than me, you know. I'm smash.
You know everybody.
No, I need that. I need that. Sure.
Who is the person?
Jada Kingdom.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Listen to me. I'm going in.
Hey, I
Me, I go in. Me, I go in.
You're going.
come the man to an iPad.
You see, even though it's heavy, I mean, no, I go struggle. I can't go manage, but me smash. Me no know me just like
the i5, me say.
right up.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, Lily said, go right. Hey.
No, me mean like, yo, wait, so the
Alright, guys. Next on the list we have Intense. Pause. Pass.
Insect.
Pass.
Wait a second. Insect.
Intense.
Wait, me not hear good.
No.
Insect.
Pass.
Intense.
Me not gonna smash the insect. Girl,
You don't like it, carry on.
you got them something there, Kylie. Thank you. Baby,
Oh, I want a pass too.
Pass. 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 Pass.
look how people have fans are gonna come for me. Hey!
Every day, I don't think
Listen, go over there, go spam up the comment section. Go talk.
No, man.
I know what next.
Shire, there's a Shire. Really say Steve?
Jamil.
Who?
Jamil.
Jamil.
Jamil. Who's
The
Jamil?
artist, I think that look like girl like you, my love, not addicted to me, no
Me not prefer. You are my
Smash.
Yeah,
Smash.
pass.
Wait,
It look a bit short, but smash. Like it meets.
They have 3 more. Beanie Man.
Pass.
Beanie Man in 1997 could get it.
All right. Okay.
He was younger, and before when he did with Colleen, Beanie Man when he did with Colleen could I get it? But the Beanie Man when they with Crystal and Angel, no sir, too much confusion this. We need him before all of them something.
Before.
Yellow Man.
Pass.
Who said that? God no. Who said that? Listen, age matters. I'm sorry, he's a senior citizen. I could not do that to him.
And the last person on the list we have is, when ready?
Yeah.
Gully Bop.
Pass. Pass. No, me literally a hero. A hero for the last one.
Listen. God no. Listen, I expected the last one I gonna be somebody like Baby Sham, Agent Sasko.
And then brought people like,
like girl, like
anyways, guys, if you have made it this far in the video,
or Shaggy, or girl.
Shaggy. But that one,
Not answer.
No, I don't go down the Shaggy.
Oh Jesus!
You know what? Anyways, guys, thank you. So if you made it this far to the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Follow everyone on the screen, guys. Your links are gonna be down in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed doing this. I'm gonna let you say the last piece, guys, and then we go so.
Hey, guys, be up on yourself. Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. Listen, if my son up boy artist and you don't like it, just find my page. Go subscribe. Come tell me come over there. So just come here, just come blow it up, send it out there. Make all of them fans know somebody says something about them. Right? True. Big up on yourself.
Oh Jesus, she pressed the bad.
Bad.
But this was really fun. Me enjoy myself. But there's a laugh, there's a smile, me can't stop. Guys, remember to check out my channel, remember to subscribe, do the do. Bye.
Yeah, people. Wait there. I literally said one I'm going up, people. So make
Yeah, leave a comment before we go.
Guys, Shally is out. Bye.
You're still in love with me, like the way you claim to be.